Hello from Slovenia again. Today I decided that I will just enjoy playing with my paints. I will probably pour my paint into my hand, try to dump it on, see what the fluid acrylics will do. And the colors that I have prepared are permanent red violet from Amsterdam. This is the consistency, it leaves a little mound. This is Expert Series 1. This is Art Creations Gold. And I have Amsterdam Prussian Phthalo Blue, Pebeo Iridescent Violet Blue, Amsterdam Expert Series Cobalt Blue, and Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. And I have my pearl white mixture for the base, hoping for some effects. And this is Vallejo Pearl Medium mixed with titanium white. And pouring medium, of course. And I will cover my canvas with my pearl white. I use this for my flowers to create lacing, so hopefully I can get some cool stuff here too. I don't know, just an experiment again. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to Fiona's Art Lab. I like to experiment with fluid acrylics. I like to try new techniques, revisit old ones. I just like to play with paint and I like to get messy. So if you are not a person who likes to get messy, maybe this channel is not for you. Because I am that kind of girl that I like to get messy. With the paint, of course, not with any stuff. Just paint doesn't bother me at all. I like to feel the paint. Okay, it's kind of covered. I will not bother as much because I'm planning to spin this out and I see a bugger or something in there. Just cleaning my hands a little bit. They're pearly, pearly, pearly. This is something that I want to get out. Okay, so I will just pour some paint into my, I just have to there is air underneath and I kind of think that I will not be able to keep this in my hand. Oh, not head. It's hard to do this on camera. I'm basically just pouring some paint in random pattern, not something that kind of want to, I don't know, have. Oop! Don't flow off yet. Starts to flowing off. Okay, so whoa. It flows all over. That's why I said that I'm okay with getting messy. Maybe I should turn this and do it in my left hand. But I like that. How it looks. Okie doke. So let's go again. Where did I start? The first place. I will add less this time, just a little bit. Okay, so let's dump this on. I wish that I wouldn't have those splatters. Let me see if I can tilt this out a little bit, or maybe even spin, I don't know. Let's spin it out first. No, don't like the spin out version. I will try once more. And I will turn the order a little bit. And I will just go on my skin to feel it. I will do this off camera because it's kind of hard to do this on camera. add some permanent red violet and some gold. Because I have to remove this, otherwise I will get paint into it. Okay, so let's throw this on here. Definitely some interesting things going on. Just thinking that maybe I want to do something more to it, because some parts, this part here bothers me, and these two parts here. But what? And this part here, maybe roll some marble through. Let's try, just paint. It's just paint. So I will start here with this part. So I played so long that one of my cameras died. I will leave this one to dry, I don't know. Kind of like this wispy thing here. I like some parts, but not all of them. Don't really know which orientation. Probably this one. So, not sure what to think about it, but it was fun for me. Sometimes, you know, you just have to have some fun with yourself and paint, and this was definitely fun. See, splatters all around.